Hi, so I finally finished version 1.0 of the Fetch-o-matic, and thought I'd show everybody how it works here. So, two things about it. There's the battery mount, which connects to a wiper motor underneath, and then which connects to a regular switch, and then inside here is a micro switch which connects to the ball. So the idea here is that there's the battery with its negative and positive terminals, and that connects to the regular switch, which is normally closed, and that connects to the micro switch, which is normally open. Right? And that connects to the motor, which then feeds back on the ground line back to the battery. So it's a pretty simple circuit, and the idea behind the fetcher, or behind the arm here, is that inside the box here there's a wiper motor connected to a pulley, and that pulley just basically serves as a large post for a bolt to push the whacker arm, which is just a rectangular tube of aluminum. That tube of aluminum is connected to a spring, which is screwed to the bolt and the top of the box, and as the motor pushes the arm around, once it gets past center, the arm picks up and is grabbed by the spring and completes the revolution to whack the ball out the door. So let's take a look at what that looks like. One thing that I found through trial and error is that sometimes the spring comes out, and so you have to unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a pain, right? So I just cut a hole in the top, and you know, it looks pretty ghetto, but hey, we're not going for show here, we're just going for work. And then what I did was I put in some washers underneath the spring, and then on the underside here, you can't really see it, but I did the same thing here. And so I looked around on the internet and found, you know, what's the best way to connect a Ryobi battery to some terminals that you know, don't have to use electrical tape or anything like that. And one individual said, hey, well, just take a tube of PVC and zap some screws through it, and then wrap your wires around that. So, okay, that works. So I added a little bit of solder to just kind of reinforce the connections, and off we go. So let's hook it up. And it's not the easiest. Somebody on on Stack Exchange suggested a suggested a 3D printing option that works specifically for these Ryobi batteries here, but once it's connected here, you can see it's just two bolts touching the contact here. What I like about these Ryobi batteries here is that they've got this little meter on here that tells you how much battery is being used. So once you do that, make sure the switch is in the on position, and drop the ball in, and you'll see the whacker arm here once the ball rests on top of the micro switch. There it goes. And so we'll stand back here and drop the ball in. There we go. That's it.